Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings. After that go to the Bluetooth, and at the device list you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds. Now, at the third line we have a button what called disconnect, and you need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds and you click this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair and click at the forget the device, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let me click at the disconnect, and as you can see, I stop Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And now I can easily reconnect these earbuds by just tap on it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!